Good morning, Ariel. This is Bill with Community Insurance, and I worked on this commercial proposal for you after Ashley worked on the home and autos, and I'm sorry we wouldn't able to go forward with that at the moment, but I wanted to at least put this on your plate. I have both of the vehicles listed with $1 million liability. We recommend that for our business clients that have assets, and it is an important step in protecting your assets. And this is a place where you're most vulnerable is every time vehicles go on the road. So this doesn't look like your current coverage, which is 250-500, but it is at the million level, which we believe is preferred for someone with assets like you have. This provides for both vehicles, the 18 BMW and the 16 Lexus. It is a cash value coverage with this particular one, which was the best offer I had. They did not offer a stated value for vehicles at this level that were beyond the 2-year mark. So I just went ahead and used the cash value level. This does utilize, it does include uninsured motorists and underinsured motorists. Both of those are included in case you're involved in an accident where someone doesn't have proper limits. These, along with that, have $1,000 deductibles, which is standard on our business policies, and they're included with $1,000 medical payments. That can be increased. The deductible can be changed either up or down to fit your specific need. I did include a Fleet Safety 360 program, which has a couple of devices that go in your vehicle and monitors your safe driving pattern, and will bring additional discounts on the table for you as we go forward into the future. Please let me know if you have specific questions about this, because I did include a couple of things that if you ever send one on errand for your business, non-owned auto is important, and if you were to ever hire a vehicle to replace that for a period of time temporarily, then that is included as well. And those are two things that can be removed. We recommend them if they don't exist anywhere else, because situations can develop if someone might drive on your behalf where they would be included at this higher level of liability. But here again, that's optional for you. Other than that, it's fairly straightforward policy, and I'll include this language so that you can look at it and see it as well. It is substantially more than the current policy you have, but by the same token, it multiplies your protection by 4 times, and we think that's very important. This would also put you in a place where you can include this under your umbrella that you have for the business, because this is an A-rated company, and it would give you that additional level of protection at the moment, which your current policy is not under that umbrella with Farm Bureau. So look it over. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer those and make any adjustments that you would like. Thanks very much for the opportunity to present this for you, and we'll talk to you soon.